Hello there. When high pressure builds across the UK, that generally means a lot of settled weather, and that will be the case in the coming days. But it's not the case that there's no changes to come. Quite a big change, actually, to the way things feel. Much colder by the start of next week. More on that, though, in a moment. Here's our high as it stands currently, and for the remainder of today and for Thursday, it means a lot of dry and settled weather. Patchy cloud around this evening, tending to thin and break through the small hours of Thursday, allowing quite a widespread frost to develop. Look out though for some patches of freezing fog as well first thing on Thursday. Overnight lows around the -2 or -3 mark in rural areas. Chilly start then to Thursday, hopefully bright or sunny for the majority of us, but if anything, perhaps a little bit more cloud building through the course of the day. Cheeky weather front just trying to sneak into the northwest, could even bring some drizzle into Northern Ireland and the northwest of Scotland, but nothing too significant. Temperatures, though, already just gradually sliding away there. By Friday, though, I think we'll already start to notice more of a chill as the easterly wind becomes particularly nagging, and temperatures by then are down in the mid-range of single figures. But that wind is what's really going to bring about the change to the way things feel. Now, high pressure, you're going to get bored of seeing high pressures, I think, in the next few days. It's still firmly with us on into the weekend. And for the weekend, it means a lot of fine weather, some decent sunny spells, but still a significant chill in the air, widespread overnight frosts, daytime highs 5 or 6 degrees. That easterly wind nagging away, though, particularly across England and Wales. Then a subtle change from our high on into next week. It just shifts orientation slightly. But if you follow the isobars back, you can see they go all the way to Siberia by next week. And that's just going to allow some colder air to pull round that high and potentially head our way. I say potentially because it may just stay further south of us in France, but it may head towards the UK. Either way we look at it, though, next week will be significantly colder. Widespread frosts, possibly even lingering by day. The wind will be raw, and there is the possibility of some snow, particularly in eastern areas. It will be worth staying tuned to the forecast. But here's that uncertainty. Will our air from Siberia dive further south into the continent and bring France the worst of the cold? Or will it be the case that it pushes all the way across us, even out into the Atlantic, and brings biting cold to the UK? Stay tuned.